Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Will, and if you're new here, I'm a leather artisan based in Cambridge. Today I'm going to be showing you 5 packs, things that are going to be super useful to you if you're just starting out, or if you're an intermediate leather worker. So, should we get started? Hack number 1, for getting a perfect radius around a corner. All you need is a simple coin like this 2-penny piece. We're going to place it at the corner, and we're going to just use a scratchel or a roundel, whatever you want to call it, and we're going to scribe around that 2p piece, and we'll get that perfect radius around a corner. Hack number 2 leads in perfectly from that. So instead of taking a blade and trying to cut in one motion around that corner, which often leads to disaster, instead of doing that, we're going to take a Japanese skiving knife, use multiple cuts. Now the more cuts you do, the smoother that radius is going to become. Hack number 3 is going to be amazing for when you're burnishing vegetable tan leather. What we're going to do is get a 50-50 mix of water to Tokonole. We're going to mix that up really well. You can use just normal tap water, is absolutely fine. You're going to mix it up super well, and then you're going to put it into a empty marker. Same thing that you're going to use if you're you can use them for dye as well if you like, but in this case we're going to be using it for the Tokonole water mix, and it's going to make that application onto the leather perfect, so that when we then come to burnishing it, there's a really even coating of Tokonole on that, and the water will help impregnate the fibres. Hack number 4 is going to be really useful if you use a lot of thinner leather like this 1.4mm Buttero from Italy. So we're going to put one ruler underneath the leather. We're going to put the leather on top of that ruler, lining it up perfectly with the edge. And then we're going to put that second ruler on top, so there's enough space for you to move your beveler up and down, but not enough space so that it moves. And you're going to then run your beveler down, and it's going to mean that the leather doesn't move when you bevel it, which is often a really annoying thing that happens when you bevel thinner leather. It will keep it nice and straight and stable. Hack number 5 is we're going to use Creasing Tip. This is an FN3, a 1.25mm tip, and we're going to use the same technique. We're going to move it a little bit closer to the edge, the ruler, and then we can run the Creasing Tip up and down as we need to. It's going to stop the leather from moving, and it's going to give you lots of manoeuvrability with that tip. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed these 5 tips and tricks, and they help your leather working come on leaps and bounds. Do let me know if you've enjoyed it in the comment section below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It does help out enormously. I know I bang on about subscribing all the time, but it really does help. So I'll see you on the next one.